Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 10 of Anthropology 330, Evolution of People, Technology, and Society for fall 2019. We're finally to week 10. It's the last week of new content and coming to the end of a very quick semester here. So this week, we're going to be doing the final two chapters of Larson, and we're going to be talking about the rise of agriculture and complex societies. So this week, we're really getting into the last two parts of the course title. We've been talking about the evolution of people up until now, learning about genetics and natural selection and our primate relatives and the beginnings of Homo sapiens and all of this. Now we're finally getting to the other two parts, technology and society. So let's dive into this module, starting with the week 10 overview. So the learning outcomes this week, we're going to talk about the roots of farming and pastoralism, which is the raising of sheep and goats and other animals like that for food and other purposes. We're going to talk about early plant and animal domestication. We're going to describe those domestications and talk about the different centers of domestication, the different places where animals and plants have been domesticated. And then we're going to look at the relationships between food production and population size and the relationship between biology and culture in the Neolithic. As I said, we're going to be finishing up with Larson. So it's chapters 13 and 14. That's the only readings this week. And then lectures and links. We've got the one lecture on the last 10,000 years. And then a few links and videos that are helpful for this week. And then, of course, two inquisitives for the two chapters. For some reason, Canvas is being extremely slow over the last 24 hours. I'm not sure why that is, and I'm not sure if that's happening on your end as well, but if that causes you any problems, of course, let me know. And then the discussion this week. This is actually a discussion that is focusing really tightly on tools. So read these, and we'll be talking about an object that you find. And you'll talk about the kind of biological things that are required for that to produce that tool, and then what that tool will enable, what other functions that tool will enable once we have it. Other than that, you should all be finishing work on your term papers. Those are due on Monday of next week. Please reach out to me if you're going to have any problems getting it in on time. And reach out again if you'd like a meeting this week. I'm going to be open all week for in-person on-campus meetings as well as online. So just send me an email if you'd like to do that. And then looking forward to next week, very briefly, to finals week. The final exam, there is a study guide up in the week 9 module, but the final exam will be open from this Friday until Friday of next week. So it's open for a full 7 days. You have all of this weekend to take it if you'd like. It's just the same as the midterm. Once you start taking it, you only have that one chance. But you can take it on any day you want. You can take it at 4 in the morning, or you can take it at 9 a.m., however you need, whatever works for your schedule. So as always, reach out if you have any problems or questions or issues. Other than that, have a great final week of the term.